Hello guys and welcome to the latest video from the South Westerner, and today we're at St Denny's on the South Western Main Line, Romsey Loop, Salisbury Loop and the West Coastway Line, and today you'll be seeing services from South Western Railway, Cross Country, Southern and maybe a bit of Luxon Freight as well. So that's all you really need to know here at St Denny's, so let's get started here at St Denny's. Now passing through is a Class 66. DB Schenker 66095. And also passing through is the South Western Railway service to Weymouth 444003 and 444001. South Western Railway service to Weymouth, and the freight train's still going. And it's stopped. That's off to somewhere in the UK. No, somewhere, no I don't. Now approaching is the 9:49 South Western Railway service to Portsmouth and Southsea. For 5086. South Western Railway service to Portsmouth and Southsea. Now departing is the 9:49 South Western Railway service to Portsmouth and Southsea. 45086. Going off to Portsmouth and Southsea. And off it goes there, on the nice bend. Now approaching is the 9:51 Cross Country service to Manchester Piccadilly. (221.024) Cross Country service to Manchester Piccadilly. And the nice view into the distance there. Now passing through is the 9:52 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. 450.099. South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. The next station, I believe, is Southampton Airport Parkway. Now passing through is the 9:56 Southern service to Southampton Central. 377408. Southern service to Southampton Central. Now passing through is the 9:58 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. 450.11112 and 450.548. South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. Nice sparks in the distance there. Now passing through is the Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. get a nice view from the footbridge here. And you can watch it go in the distance. Quite a nice shot. Minutes 16. We got right here at the right time. I think that was the train that we saw on the train. That doesn't make sense, does it? Look, Dad. Look at Dad.
Yeah.
I took the best picture here because those shelters are parallel, but the stairs are parallel, and the card readers are at the bottom.
It's good.
Right, I'm just gonna get another one. Okay, you can go down. Please. 999, what's your emergency? I'm dying. Okay, we won't come. Platform 2 for the 11. Oh no, it's not 11 yet, is it? Dad, if I focus on one thing, it kind of blurs out the background. Sorry about that, guys. I just accidentally pressed play. I'll be back with you in a second. Right now, passing through is the 10:05 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. 444-017 and 444-021. South Western Railway service to London Waterloo.